Hello everyone from Machu Picchu. I'm here, been meditating and reflecting. I found this little spot here. And yeah, it's been beautiful to be here in this temple, in this sacred land, and to just have the opportunity to connect with myself and to reflect my own life, my spiritual journey, the opportunity to connect with nature and with ancient cultures, with ancient knowledge. Yeah, it's amazing to be here and see what men have done with these rocks and with everything that has been created here such a long time ago. I'm feeling very connected right now. I was here doing some meditation and then I found that spot and thought maybe I could make a video just to share. I did my practice and I meditate and I feel like I'm levitating right now. I highly encourage you to do this type of trips, to go away, to reconnect with yourself, to create space for your life. Because sometimes we're so into everything that we forget to have space for ourselves, to remember what's really important for you. When we are too in the middle of everything, we forget. So going to a retreat or going away and even by yourself, just to find silence and find this connection, it's very powerful. So yeah, I'm in Peru. I've been here already for almost a week, and I have been sharing this journey with all of you, so you could see, my journey and everything. And I'm going back to the Sunshine Coast because I have a calling and I have this purpose to help people and to share my own life and all the things that I've learned for myself. And I want you to join me on this. As you know, I do many things for the community, and I have learned many things for the last 20 years just for myself. I never studied anything to teach. Everything I did was for myself. So I invite you to join me on this journey. And I have many offerings, if you want to connect with us and join me, just to feel more whole, to feel more complete, or to just improve the quality of your life. Because when we do that, we improve the quality of the people, the quality of the life of the people around us. So I invite you to join me. I'll be back on the 1st of June, running my first Breathwork journey in Jandina as usual. And it's going to be for free or by donation. I just want you to be there and connect so I can share this energy with you. It's going to be a bit later, around 8 p.m. So we have 2.5 hours, and then we can go and have some breakfast together and celebrate. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. In June, I'm starting another 6-week program for men, yoga and mindfulness for men. We are still looking for a location, but it's happening. So please, if you're a man and you're watching this, or if you have a man in your life who you want to, help move forward or improve the quality of their life, please share this with them. We have our spiritual yoga retreat in Bali. It's a budget retreat, so I want to do things for free moving forward or affordable for people. There's no need to pay $4,000 for a retreat the way we used to do it. Now we have room from $1,500 if you want to go and connect with yourself and spend 7 days in Bali doing some work. So join us. It's in October. And then our pranayama course is in June as well. So if you want to join us in that course, please do. It's online, 5 weeks, and you will learn all these ancient techniques of yoga, breathwork, pranayama, meditation, and it's so important. Like I'm here. I've been here for 7 days or 8 days, and I've been like in high altitude, 3,500 meters high or 3,800, and I'm fine because I practice breathwork, because of all the work I do. So if you want to join me on this journey, I invite you to come to my activities. Everything I do comes from my heart. And I want you to know that it just makes me happy to do all this stuff. So join us. And I'm going to show you where I am, so you can see it, that I'm really here. Look, let's see. This is true. Machu Picchu. I think they're cutting the grass. Anyway, look at that. And I found this little corner here to run these videos. Being meditating, look, barefoot. So important to
connect with the land. See ya. Bye.